let's quickly break down this trade. So this was a sell-off trade post FOMC. Now, when it comes to ICT concepts, I use the Asian range, and I use specifically previous day highs and lows, and I think they're one of the most powerful concepts. And it's very easy to use previous day highs and lows. What you're essentially doing is once price takes out the previous day high, you're then looking for price to target the previous day low at a key level. This is important to understand. You want to be at a key level in order for these trades to actually work, right? Another thing about the PO3 is, of course, once you have price giving the weekly high, so the high of the week, you then want to be looking for, yes, a previous day high sweep, and you're looking to trade off these key levels. So the tip I want to give traders is you want to kind of extend your key levels all the way to the right. And once you've done that, you want to see how the market is interacting at all of these levels, right? How is the market flipping and flopping near these levels? And we are going to be breaking that down. So with that being said, now let's kind of break this down in a bit more detail, right? So here we have an ES chart in front of you, right? Now, we want to see how the market reacts on the ATAS platform, right? So this is the ATAS platform I use for order flow. And we can see the same price action, the same key level has been marked out. But now, what's interesting now is I'm going to stop and I'm going to ask you a question, right? When price comes into a key level, how do you know whether to buy and sell? What gives you the indication to be buying or selling, right? Fair value gaps alone are not the answer, right? Liquidity sweeps alone are not the answer. Time and PO3 alone are not the answers, right? There's something you need in your trading to make it work, right? So we're going to be breaking that down. So extra confirmation comes from using the footprint charts, right? So by using ICT or smart money concepts or any of your trading with order flow, indication as to what's going on at key levels. Okay, so let's break this down. So my screen is frozen, but we're going to make this work. So let's kind of dive into the charts over here. The ATAS platform essentially gives us the indication as to what's going on at key levels. So we're going to be breaking this down candle by candle on the 15-minute time frame. And just so you know, this is point number 2 over here, right? So this